Now let us do the compounds of sodium. The first compound to be done is called sodium carbonate. It's Na2CO3 10H2O, also called washing soda. It is prepared by a process, industrial process, which is called solvage process. In this, what is done is ammonia aqueous solution. What we do is, so CO2 is passed through the aqueous solution of ammonia. This leads to the formation of ammonium carbonate. Now when the CO2 is passed through this ammonium carbonate solution in excess, it leads to the formation of ammonium hydrogen carbonate or ammonium bicarbonate. Now this saturated solution of ammonium bicarbonate is treated with sodium chloride solution, which gives us ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. Now what we do is we take the benefit of the lesser solubility of sodium bicarbonate salt, and what we do is we separate out, we crystallizes it out, we separate it out, and then what we do is we heat it to obtain what sodium carbonate, CO2 and H2. When we heat it, these two escapes out as gases, as vapors or gases, and what we are left out is the Na2CO3. Now what we do in this case is the ammonium chloride obtained as a byproduct, this one, is the ammonia is recovered from this ammonium chloride by making it to react with calcium hydroxide, lime water, which forms calcium chloride, ammonia and water. And this is how the ammonia is actually recovered back, recycled back. Now, we cannot use this process for preparation of potassium carbonate if we think. The reason being potassium hydrogen carbonate is much more soluble than what the sodium hydrogen carbonate is. That is why we never prefer this.